بما ان النهارده عيد ميلادي، تعالى اقول لكم على شويه birthday wishes.
عشان عيد ميلادي النهارده.
لا يا شيخ.
طبعا احنا بننطقها birthday مش birthday. المهم لو عايز تقول لحد كل سنه وانت طيب، هتقولها ازاي بالانجلش؟ هتقول له happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Have a wonderful birthday.
I hope your cat has a wonderful birthday.
Have a blast.
Have a blast.
Many happy returns.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Cooper.
Many happy returns.
Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy.
We are filled with joy and laughter.
May all your dreams come true this year.
Mr. Miyagi, may all your dreams come true.
Cheers to another year of wonderful memories ahead.
Go ahead. Make a wish, my dear.
لو عايز بقى ترد وتقول وانت طيب، قول thanks a lot.
Happy birthday, Bill.
Thanks a million.
Thanks a million, Raj.
Thanks a dozen. Thanks a ton.
When someone says thanks a ton,
Thanks a bunch.
Thanks a bunch.
Thanks a gazillion.